Hey, it's Hot Rod Ronnie again. I want to show you an after. I showed you the before. It doesn't take long with this. This happened to be a Briggs & Stratton. You can get all kinds of brands, but once you hook it on the end of that wand, I'm going to start this thing up and show you what you do afterwards. Hang on. Yeah, as you can see, it's really clean. Got the steps. We were going to put a deck on here, but that Trex, but they say even if you order it and pay for it, you don't ever know when you're going to get it. It's probably sitting out in California on a ship in the bay. So we said to heck with it. We're going to go ahead and clean it again one more year and just enjoy it like this. Maybe next year things will straighten out a little bit. But I'll tell you one thing. I used to hate power washing sidewalks and all. But once you get one of those rotary brushes, it's all the difference in the world. I mean, it's fast. I put down a cleaner. It's like they call it a 30-second cleaner. You can get it at Lowe's, any place that sells, you know, those kind of chemicals. Or you can use bleach if you get the right 1-to-1 or whatever it is. This was 1-to-1, like a gallon of cleaner, a gallon of water. But it was black, and now it's beautiful color, tan like it should be. And I even power washed a little yoga kitty. That's it. Thanks for watching. Later.